Are we heading for a recession? Are we actually in a recession already? The latest B of A survey of global fund managers shows that the proportion who think we're heading for an economic hard landing has shot through the roof since the Liberation Day tariffs. If you take a look at the sentiment in the market, this is also from B of A's fund manager survey, you can see that we've suddenly dipped to one of the weakest sentiments on record. Does that mean that we have a recession coming? Prediction markets think it's now more than 50%, but it's still not 100%. The prediction markets, though, definitely think it is happening. The problem is that most of the most reliable recession indicators have been telling us that we should be in a recession already, that it should have happened over a year ago. This measure comes from the New York Fed. It's based on the bond market. And as you can see, it predicted the last 4 recessions very neatly, but it also thinks we've had the worst recession of the lot carrying on over the last 2 years. Something went wrong with that indicator. Similarly, this is the Conference Board's leading economic indicators, or in this case, misleading economic indicators. Once they fall for more than a few months, it's supposed to be totally certain that you have a recession. You can see again, they spotted the last 4 recessions perfectly, but they think we've been in a recession for a while. Now, if you want to take a look at individual investors' sentiment, then people are very bearish now. This is the American Association of Independent Investors. How many say they're bearish minus how many say they're bullish. And you can see that this is the 4th most bearish they've ever been. That doesn't necessarily tell you should definitely get out. During the global financial crisis, they were even more bearish, and that proved to be one of the best times to buy ever. If you want to know why you shouldn't wait to confirm that there's a recession, the cautionary tale comes from 2008, the year of the great financial crisis. The National Bureau of Economic Research, which is the official body for deciding whether there was a recession, says that the recession that year started in January. But it didn't announce that until the December. In the 11 months you had to wait for confirmation, the stock market fell almost 50%. That's why people tend to sell on the mere fear of a recession. And until we can deal with this uncertainty, that's going to be a real problem for the stock market.